Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
This scholar is narrating a story in Urdu. Don't worry, I will translate it before telling the story. Please subscribe the channel if you are new. Thanks. It is described that a man and his wife were sitting eating with a roasted chicken in front of them. When a beggar came to the door, the man came out, scolded him, and drove him away. Day by day, the man grew poorer until he divorced his wife, who later married an older man. One day, he was having dinner with her, and there was a roasted chicken in front of them. Suddenly, a beggar knocked. He said to his wife, "Give this chicken to this beggar." When she came out and saw that he was her first husband, she gave him the hen and returned to her husband crying. When the husband asked why she was crying, she started telling that the beggar was her first husband and told the whole story. When he scolded the beggar, her husband said, "What surprised you? By Allah, was he beggar, my dear brother? Consider. A person scolded the questioner and said bad things, then what happened to him? If he had returned the questioner with gentleness and kindness, or given him something trivial, the situation would have been different. I request you again to subscribe the channel, like the video, and share as much as possible. Thank you. See you in the next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.